I'm more interested in being short here. I really need a good, at least up to here. If we get, right out the gate, if we rally into 3,300 here.
Order filled.
Yeah, baby. All right, got filled. 307. I can set my order out right now. We close this candle and pop into 4307 with a nice tight stop. Got my order sitting out here at 06. If ES can get up there, get me filled, I'll take it. If it didn't get filled, drop my order a little bit. But anyway, Amazon's ripping faces off, boy. Let's go. Target 70.
Order filled.
There we go. Got filled on ES. My order was sitting at 92 to cover some. So
order filled.
There it is. Got stopped out. 4303 is really where I need to be trying to enter this, and not at 4300. 4303. If I would have just waited to 4303 and let my order out, I wouldn't be getting stopped out. Got my order sitting out on
filled.
ES. There we go. Got filled on ES there. Got a better fill this time. ES is working nice now, boy. Let's go. It's 85. I want to pay myself at 85. Let's look at Amazon. Is it time to take some profits here? Yes, it is.
Order filled.
Boom, baby. All right, just got paid on the puts. I'm not going to add or anything. I'm just going to put the profit stop in place on the rest of them.
Order filled.
So I'm covering up some ES there. Paid myself. Target hit 85. Target hit.